Alright, welcome YouTubers. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. And I'm gonna talking about this uh, backup for your website. So if you're making a Drupal website, so you have to make sure you have a backup because especially it's a medium and large scale website. So you're gonna be using a backup, and most of them have this problem with this clearing of cache. Or sometimes you will have encountered a white screen, which is freaking out for most of the development process. And if you're a beginner and you don't know how to back up, so I would advise you to use the CODEGUARD. So we go there for this. If you're using the host monster web hosting for your website, you will have add-on plugins which will cost you around $3 for this backup. So we check here in our host monster. You have here this CODEGUARD. This is the plugins in the marketplace. Once you purchase your own web hosting, you're gonna have this add-ons. So you're gonna pay extra for $3, and it's gonna be about 5 websites, and it's 1 gig, and they back up it every day. And this will secure your development during the process when sudden problem occur, especially the white screen or the bugs that will occur. So go to your backup settings. Here is the example of the dashboard, and you go to your dashboard panel. So this happened when your website happened, sudden disaster happened. It's really really headache if you don't have a backup during the process. So don't just develop a website without a backup. So always have a backup for your security and your progress for your long-term development. And for your backup sequence, you can see here, this is the history backup that I have here. So these are all the files. So if one of these files has a bug, I would go to the previous old files. So this one. And usually this will take around 20 to 45 minutes, depends on the file load. But usually it takes, again, it takes around 45 or 1 hour. Depends on the progress that we have. And you're gonna using this one. And you don't need to feel insecure. So all of your backup will have 1 month to 2 months, depends in the setting you have. So this is July 21 there. Until I have here until, let me check, 19 to 20. That's the history I have here. That's the previous backup. See? So that's until, yeah, almost 1 month. And there are a lot of headache you have during your development for your Drupal, especially these big modules, and you're gonna be using a lot of files here, a lot of modules, a lot of settings, customization, takes your time and resources, and then suddenly crash. So you're gonna be using, my advice is you're gonna be using CODEGUARD. So this is the CODEGUARD website, and they really ensure that your site will be protected. They monitor the malware, and this is good for the WordPress or Drupal plugins. You just add on your settings on your CODEGUARD here. During the process, they will give you the instruction how to do it. And I think it's not too difficult. You just have to learn and just read the procedure they have. And then what is other advantages is that they give you security backup solutions to all the customers. and the integration of the API is considered effective and useful. And if you are first time, I think you have to explore the environment for your CODEGUARD. And it provides customer the best security on the marketplace, and it also give you the insights. So we check the insights here. So we can check the insights of the website here. So that's the insight there. And again, who are the partners of this? So there are a lot of partners. So you can visit the site. I give you the link below. And these are the popular sites like Namecheap. You have the web host Buzz, and all of these are using CODEGUARD. So the partner give you around $3 for 5 websites. That would be very effective for you. And see, Homes Monster is one of their partner, and if you buy that directly to the website, so I think it's more expensive there, because here you could get around $3. So this is annually here for 12 website, a monthly for 12 website. This is per month, and they are offering a big amount. But if you go to their partners for the web hosting, you could get a big discount. And most of these are being used for the freelance, medium, and large-scale website. Especially you have a lot of content. I mean, daily backup is really part and important during the progress of your development. And if you are also using I'm using the A2 hosting. They have this backup for free also. Their backup is for free, and their specialty is in this 5-year. It was being optimized a lot, their speed and security, which I really appreciate the A2 hosting, using this one for now 10 years, 11 years. It started 2010, and I'm using this hosting for my site, for my WordPress, Drupal, and OpenCart. I didn't use too much platform, but I tried to explore the Joomla and Magento. But again, you have to get your own specialty. So I cannot spend too much time on other platform, because it will consume your time to familiar or the environment. And again, for your Drupal backup, never forget to have a backup. And you can use your cPanel backup there if you want some to save some costing. There's a cPanel backup also. But again, if your development is on progress, it's highly recommended to use the CODEGUARD. It protects your site, and in long term, you have the benefits. Cost $3, almost $3 here. And you can, if your site is, if your web hosting is not listed here, so I think you can, the cost a lot would around here, $39. And again, it's a big asset. Our website are assets in digital platform, and hopefully you use CODEGUARD, use for your WordPress and your Drupal website and other frameworks website. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again. Thank you.